Hey, it's Chuck over here at Worldwide RV, and it's time for Check It Out with Chuck! So normally we focus on just one feature here at Jayco, but this time we're looking at a Seneca. Now, Seneca is loaded with options and features, and today we're just going to go through a couple that really stand out. Oh man, that was a good nap. Camping isn't just for kids, but us grown folks, we can enjoy this stuff too. And I tell you what, not only is camping fun, but so is the driving. This thing is designed to be like a big huge sedan when you're going down the road, real nice and comfy. And the benefit of this though is if someone gets in your way, move! One of the excellent features about this also is the kitchen area, which I like because I'm a guy that likes to cook when I go out camping. So as you can see, you've got your nice 3 burners, microwave right above it. Over here you got your sink, easy to clean dishes. Nice counter space on either side of you, so not only are you able to prep your food, but you'll also be able to make the food, put it on the plates. As you get the plates, you walk them right over here. Boom, you can set them down. You got a nice 4-seat booth. You can all enjoy dinner, lunch, breakfast, whatever it may be. And back here towards the bedroom area, you come to the bathroom area. What's really good about this bathroom area is you got your toilet, your shower, and all that good stuff in this room over here. And right here you have an outside sink, so you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. They could be taking their shower, doing their thing in here. You could be brushing your teeth out here. Really cuts down on prep time for when you're going out to see the sights, you know, hiking, biking, things like that. And finally we come to the bedroom area, which is fantastic. You got a nice king-size bed down here. Over here you got nice cabinets for his and hers, all separated. Good drawers down here to hold your linens and things like that. And if you got frosty and you wanted a washer dryer, you could definitely put it in here. One of the best features I feel on the back of this thing is this nice big window. So if you back up next to a lake, perhaps the Grand Canyon, you got yourself a nice view in the morning when you wake up and right before you go to sleep.